How to fix Wi-Fi keeps disconnecting on Windows 10 and 11. Now, the very first thing that you'll need to make sure that you have enough power to power up your physical router. Now, you'll just have to make sure that you are properly connected to your power source. Now, the other thing that you can do is make sure also that the power settings from your Windows 10 or 11 are properly set. Now, if you go into your desktop and then click on the Wi-Fi logo right here, all you have to do is to go ahead and go to your current connections properties like this one. And from here, you will be routed to this page, and all you have to do is make sure that your IP settings are stable and are correctly assigned. Now, the other thing that you can do is to go ahead to your Windows icon and then go to your device manager. Now, there are many ways in going directly to your device manager. You can go ahead and do the taskbar, and then you can also go to the Run app, which is from your Windows icon. Just simply type in Run. And then once you pull up your Run system, just type in Device Manager, and this window will pop up. Now, in here, as you can see, there are multiple options that you can click. This is specifically for your PC or your laptop. Now in here, what you need to do is to find and go to the network adapters. Just double click on it, and then most of the time, and then generally, your current connection will be under on the NTLR Ethernet connection. What you'll need to do is just right click and go to properties once again. Now in here, this is what we're talking about, your power management. So you'll see multiple kinds of options or tabs right here. You'll see events, general, resources, advanced, driver, power management, and details. What you need to do is just go to power management, and then all you have to do is just tick this option right here that says allow this device to wake the computer, and then untick the allow the computer to turn off these devices to save power. So once you click on that, just simply click on OK. Now, second troubleshooting step is going to be go back to your Windows search and simply go to the run. Now in here, what you need to do is just type in services.msc. Once you have successfully typed in the text, just click on OK. Now you will be able to see again another window. Now this is all your services that is currently running on your PC or laptop. What you need to do from here is just to click any of these options, and for us to be able to go directly to our purpose here, simply just press the W from your keyboard and then scroll down a bit till you find the WLAN auto config. Now from here, just right click and go to properties. Now you will see another window which is your WLAN auto configuration properties from your local computer. In here, you'll just have to make sure that under the start type, this is not going to be set as automatic. So if this is the first time that you have visited this window or this services settings, just change the startup type to manual. And then all I have to do after that is just go and apply and then click on OK. And then once again, close this window. Now, other thing that we can do is just doing a configuration on our command prompt. To go to the command prompt, go back to your Windows icon, and then just simply type in CMD. Now, this is going to be the page that we're looking at, the command prompt system. Just right click on it and then make sure that you're currently running this system as an administrator. I just have to choose on yes. Now in here, I have a specific text or command right here that you'll just need to copy and paste it on the command prompt. So this is the first command that we are need to do, the NATSH space INT space IP space reset. So just copy this or just manually type it in on the command prompt. Once done, just simply press on enter. Now, once everything is set, you'll have to restart your computer to complete this action. Upon restarting your PC, you'll have to go back to your CMD or your command prompt again. Go to search, type in CMD. Don't forget to right click on command prompt system to run this as an administrator and click on yes again. Now the second command is going to be this one, the necsh space winsup space reset. Now these commands right here is allowing us to reset all the working IP addresses that what we are using currently using right now on our PC. This is just to refresh its memory. So since we're done with the first command, let's go ahead and proceed on the second command. So that's gonna be netsh space winsock space reset. So copy and paste it on the CMD prompt or just manually type it in. After that, just simply press on enter again. And then again, you must restart the computer in order to complete the reset. So it was successfully reset in the Winstock catalog. You'll just have to restart your PC. Now the last option that you'll need to check is you just have to make sure that if you're currently running with Windows 10, you have to make sure that you're running with the latest version of the operating system from your Windows 10. Same goes with Windows 11. So to check if there is a further update that you'll need to download or to do, just go to your Windows search and then type in Windows Update. Now this is going to be the same process if you're using a Windows 11. Go to your Windows icon and then go to the Windows search and type in Windows Update. So this is going to be the result, the check for updates from your system settings. Just click on it. Now you will be redirected to your Windows Update, and then if there will be error that you will be encountering on doing the update or the download from your Windows, then there will be a prompt right here like mine. So error encountered, and there will be a certain date, a specific time as well. So what you need to do from here is just press on update button if there is an update that you'll need to do for your Windows operating system. Now you can also view optional updates. Now from here, if there will be available drivers or updates that you need to do with your PC, then you'll have to do it. That's actually the first priority that you need to do because that could also be the main reason why your PC or laptop keeps disconnecting you from your internet connection. So again, those are the troubleshooting steps and how you can fix your Wi-Fi keeps disconnecting on your Windows 11 and Windows 10.